my God! Do you know what it's time for? A sexy party!
Hello, everyone. How are you? Fine, thank you.
Oh my God!
You gotta help me, man! My tie is evil and it's gonna kill me! Please don't hurt me!
You dare bring light to my lair? You must die!
Sitting on the toilet. 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 Now flush.
My lips hurt. Where's the chapstick? 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 What is that? Where's the chapstick? What's the jacket? Where's the chapstick? Where's the chapstick? Here's the chapstick. I found the chapstick. Here's the chapstick. I found the chapstick. Found the chapstick. I need to get alive.
That is so funny!
Then why don't you fucking laugh? If it's that fucking funny, then start laughing.
Dr. Octagonopus!
Okay, my mom just canceled my brother's Warcraft account, and he is fucking out. What? Oh, yeah.
Hey! Hey, Apple! Hey! Apple! Hey, Apple! Hey, Apple! Apple! Hey! Hey, Apple! What is it?
I baked you a pie.
Oh boy, what flavor?
Pie flavor.
Ah! Oh, ouch! Ouch! Ouch, Charlie! Ow! Charlie, that really hurt! No, Charlie bit me. And that really hurt, Charlie, and it's still hurting.
Double rainbow on the way.